Now let us see example 3.4. Now see the question. In an inter-school athletic meet with a total of 24 individual prizes, securing a total of 56 points, a first place secures 5 points, a second place secures 3 points, and a third place secures 1 point. Having as many third place finishes as first and second place finishes, find how many athletes finished in each place. So in our question they have given, in an inter-school athletic meet, total of 24 individual prizes, totally 24 individual prizes. That means they have conducted 24 individual events they have conducted. Okay, so securing total of 56 points, total points that is 56, total events that is 24. So the points also they have divided. A first place secures 5 points, so those who got the first place they can get 5 points, those who got the second place they can get 3 points, those who got the third place they can get 1 point. After having as many third place finishes as first and second place finishes, that means those who got the third place, that is equal to the first and second place. So if you add it the first and second place, that is equal to the third place they have given. So we need to find out each place, first, second and third place, those who got. Okay, so we need to find out. So now see solution. Let the number of first, second and third place finishes be x, y and z respectively. So first place those who got we can consider as x, second place those who got we can consider as a y, third place those who got we can consider as a z. Okay, first place x, second place y and the third place is z. We know the total number of events. So totally 24 individual prizes mean total 24 individual events they have conducted. So total number of events that is equal to 24. Total number of points that is 56. Here in our question 3 conditions they have given. Using these 3 conditions we are going to form 3 equations. Now the first condition, total of 24 individual prizes means the first place finishes we have taken as a x, second place finishes we have taken as a y, third place finishes we have taken as a z. All the 3 if you add it mean that is 24. Okay, so 24 individual prizes, but how many of them got first, second and third place we don't know. We have taken as a x, y and z. So all the 3 if you add it mean that is 24. That's the first condition. So first equation you can form x plus y plus z is equal to 24. So you can consider as a equation number 1. The next one, total number of points 56. Here they have given first place secures 5 points. So first place finishes, those who got the first place we have considered as a x, they can get 5 points. So we can multiply 5 into x. After those who got the second place we have considered as a y, they can get 3 points. So 3 into y. After z means third place finishes we have considered as a z. Third place finishes, how many points they can get? 1 point they can get. So 1 into z will come. All the 3 if you add it mean that is 56 points they have given. So you can write 5 into x. Okay, so first place finishes they can get 5 points. After the first place finishes we have taken as a x. So we have to multiply 5 into x plus 3 into y, 3 points, and second place finishes we have considered as a y. So 3 into y plus third place finishes they can get 1 point. So 1 into third place finishes we have taken as a z. So 1 into z, that is z. This 3 if you add it mean that is 56, totally 56 points they have given. So that's the second condition. Then third condition what they have given, having as many third place finishes as first and second place finishes. That means first and second place finishes if you add it mean that is equal to the third place finishes. So first and second we have taken x and y. So add it x plus y, that is equal to the third place finishes we have taken as a z. So that third condition, x plus y if you add it mean that is equal to the z. Okay, so that's the third equation. So now we are going to solve this 3 equation. This is that no need to bring it to this side. Easily you can do it. So substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So here see equation 3, what is it? X plus y is equal to z. That x plus y is equal to z value, can you substitute here? This x plus y instead of we can substitute z. Then z value you can get it. Okay. So now substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So equation 1, what is it? X plus y plus z is equal to 24. Now x plus y, we know that from the equation 3 we know that x plus y is equal to z. So can you substitute x plus y instead of z? Z plus z is equal to 24. 2 times z you have. So 2z is equal to 24. Z is equal to 24 divided by 2. So after cancelling we have got the z value, that is 12. Okay, so this you can keep it. This z value where you can substitute. Can you substitute here or not? Now x plus y, z value we have got it, that is 12. So while I substituting in this third equation, we have got it x plus y is equal to 12. Okay, so that equation you can consider as a equation number 4. The next one, so here the second equation implies. So a second equation also, now we know that z value we know that. So second equation, can you substitute or not? So while substituting the second equation, you can get it 5x plus 3y plus z value, now only we found it, then can you substitute 12, so equal to 56 will it will come. So second equation implies 5x plus 3y plus z is equal to 56. 5x plus 3y plus z value, that is 12, is equal to 56. Now 5x plus 3y is equal to 56 plus 12 if it transposed on that side, so that is minus 12. So 5x plus 3y is equal to, if you subtract, that is 44. Now we have got it the fifth equation. Now here the fourth and fifth equation we have got it. Okay, so first this z value we have substituted in the first equation, then we have got it the z value, you can get it. Okay, so z value, that z value here you can substitute, and this equation also you can substitute. While substituting the z value, we can get it two equations. That two equations now we are going to solve. Okay, so now see the fourth equation and the fifth equation only we are going to solve. The fourth equation, x plus y is equal to 12. Fifth equation, that is 5x plus 3y is equal to 44. Now that is a two variable equation only, so x variable or y variable you can eliminate. So here I have eliminated the y variable. So y variable, if you want to eliminate, means you want to make the coefficient of y variable, you want to make it same. Here the y variable coefficient is 3, here y variable coefficient is 1 only. So if you multiply this whole equation with 3 only, you can make it the y variable of coefficient, you can make it as same. So now the fifth equation, there is no change, simply you have to write 5x plus 3y is equal to 44. And the fourth equation, so now the y variable only we are going to eliminate. Y variable, if you want to eliminate, mean make the coefficient of y variable, the fourth equation, the coefficient you have to make it as same. Here 3 you have, so here also the full equation you have to multiply with the 3 only, the coefficient you can make it as same. So fourth equation you have to multiply with the 3. So 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 3 into 12, that is 36. Now you need to eliminate the y variables. So now both coefficients are same only. So now here if you subtract only, you can eliminate this y variable. Can you subtract? So change the symbol. Here also minus. So 5x minus 3x, that is 2x. So it will be cancelled, is equal to, here while subtracting we will get 8. Now x is equal to, here 2 if you bring it to that side, so then x is equal to the 4 we have got it. 8 divided by 2, so that is 4. Now the x4 substitute, now we know the x value and the z value we know that. So x is equal to 4, z is equal to 12. In equation 3 you can substitute. Equation 3 where it is, here this one only equation. So here can you substitute, means here you can substitute or here you can say, anyway you can substitute. Okay, so we are going to substitute in the third equation. So x plus y is equal to z, that is the equation. So x value we know that is 4, plus y value we need to find out, plus y is equal to z value we know that is 12. So then y is equal to, so while subtracting you can get it, y is equal to 8. Now we have got it, the x value, y value and the z value. First x first place, second place and the third place. Okay, so now write the answer. Therefore number of first place, those who got the first place, that is 4. So second place finishes, that is 8. Number of third place finishes, that is 12. Okay, so you itself you can check the answer while you are adding this all the 3. So the condition, the totally 24 individual prizes. Now the first place, second place, third place, so totally if you add it, we know that is 24. So now we can add it, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 12, 24 evens. Okay, so after another one condition, first and second if you add it, that is equal to the third place. So 4 plus 8, 12. Now the third place also 12. So both one is equal only. So you itself you can check the answer. Okay, thank you.